Okay, I'm in Lynden, Washington. And there's a sign that says 5 Loaves Farm. Oh, and they got this farmers market that goes to September 20th. That's interesting. It's December 22nd or so, maybe 23rd. As you can see, there's kind of the farm. Try to block out that sun a little bit. But it feels great out here. As you can see, the grass is green. I believe, what is it, like 0 in Rice Lake right now? But here it's windy and it feels very tropical. It rained for 3 days straight. But right after this rain, we got this warming wind. It actually warmed up overnight. I'm surprised by that. There's still snow grounds, even though it rained for 3 days. So it stayed cool enough, but it's like in the 50s, I believe. I don't know how well this voice is going to pick up. There's a lot of wind. It's a quiet town here. So far it seems somewhat active, but it's pretty gentle so far. There's a lot of reference to Dutch things. I don't know if a lot of Dutch people come out here and settle or what. But yeah, I walked around and it's really pretty. Not sure how you describe this type of town. I'm just waiting for the library to open up at 10 o'clock. They open from 10 to 8. Just want to use the internet. Yeah, a lot of moisture in the air here. It's just a great feeling to have all this this kind of somewhat warmth. I know I'm further north than Rice Lake, but it's warmer because of the ocean and just being closer to the coast. Today I plan on going to Walmart to apply for a overnight stocking job. I'll see what they say. They allow you to sleep in the parking lot. I also want to ask about that. But if that doesn't sound very attractive, I'll look into that Ponderosa sobriety living house and then see what they got, because it's only 5 miles from the border. Lynden is probably the last city you'll see before you go across the border in Canada. And Canada actually has hours for their border, which is interesting. It's like 8 a.m. to 12 midnight or something. I thought you could go across any time, but they don't require passports or anything. They just want to count you, maybe. Yeah, that's that. It's just recording extra footage for no good reason, except to look at later. Price reduced on this house. You can see it. From $1 million to a little less than that. This would be a great place to live. I get the impression Washington's not very popular, but it probably is, just because I haven't been out here. You can have such a variety of vegetation. In December, it's still quite alive. They don't even snowplow here. They put bumps on those reflector bumps on the road like you see in the south. So they don't even bother to plow. So they may get snow, but they don't need to plow it. It melts. Oh, a black squirrel. So they got fat black squirrels here.